Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. I hope everyone is doing great, guys. I hope everyone is doing good. Actually, yesterday the market was just playing around, but later on, or actually early in the morning today, actually it's pre-market. The market did push higher, and likely enough, I did set some very nice signals in the group. Remember, I have a it's not actually special, but I need the last group that I'm gonna teach. Then after that, I'm no longer going to teach anyone. I'm not going to offer any service. Then I'll be done. I'll be doing my own thing. This can last maybe up to the end of July, and then we can start with the process. So here is the special, guys. It's limited, by the way. It's limited to 200 people. This is the last service that I'm going to offer. I'm no longer going to offer different service because hey, I'm getting busier and busier, and you know what, when you in this business, you have to upgrade. You have to move from offering the signals now to do your things, to do your own things, bigger things. Actually, you see, I'm not going to offer signals for forever. So yeah, for those who wants to join, for those who wants to learn from me, if you want to learn from me, that is $45. Actually, it's not actually 3 months. It's 3 plus 1 month. Actually, it's 4 months because we're still going to do the practicals after I teach you everything about the trading. The aim is for you to have your own signals. The aim is for you to make your own signals. I hope you understand that. I hate the fact the fact that people, they just want the signals, which is fine, but if you can able to make your own signals at your own time, different instruments that you want, that is something. That is something. That is something. Learn. It's quite easy. It's quite cheap. $45. I don't think that it's much. I just went down very very low. I don't think maybe people they will complain. So I was reducing the volume. So I don't think people maybe they will just complain about $45. If you can afford $45, guys, I don't know. I can't blame you, but this is the last service that I'm going to offer this year, actually. So next year, I don't want to have any. I will be left with people that I will be teaching, and that's when, because I also have 12 months service which I was offering. You still remember that? Few days ago. Yes, I'm still going to teach them, guys. It's not like maybe I'm going to stop. I'm still going to teach them, but after this, I'm no longer going to take any new client after that. So I hope you understand. So let's go straight to the analysis. Actually, we are on Bitcoin, which is it's seriously struggling, this thing, guys. It's seriously struggling. We see that it's quite similar structure that we saw yesterday. Even yesterday, we had a load shading, and I couldn't like turn on other devices. Maybe you did not even see the cam. So what's really happening now is, yes, we're still on that downtrend, and what I see is the market is now consolidating around this lowest level, around 20 something, around 21, 22, around this area. 20, let's say 20 and 22, it's where the market is just consolidating. But we will see if the market is going to push up, or maybe if the market is going to break and push the lowest side. I don't know if that will happen, but if that happens, we will be ready to take any action. But currently, yes, I can say the market is still on this downtrend. The market is on downtrend, is downtrending, but currently we have this consolidation. We're waiting for the market to break out, to push the upside or to push the lower side. Then we can take an action from there. It's Friday. Don't over risk. We traded very nice this week. Don't over risk. Actually, I missed. I sent the signal yesterday, a buy stop, but just because the market was playing around, I ended up not taking the buy pending, that buy pending order. Now when I check, the market is up, and I will be in a very nice profit. But guess what? Opportunities, they will always present themselves to me. That's because I'm disciplined, you see. So what's really happening now is we are on German 40. So what's really happening is we can see nicely that this thing is on a downtrend, guys. So yesterday the market was around this area. Let me show you that. But the market broke out of that area here, we had a sell stop, then guess what, the market now is going back again. But it means for us to say we're gonna sell again, it seems like the market is coming back again, so it's gonna be way too easier for us. We can even stretch this counter trend line there. We can stretch that and see if maybe the market will be creating something like that. Sometimes, yes, we also lose even if we still follow the trend, but not that much. You can see that if maybe that sell pending order was touched, it means that we were going to go in a loss. But guess what? The market is coming back again. Simple as that. So just be careful. And also, when we're talking about some NASDAQ and stuff, you should also remember that the inflation is still very high, guys, and which shows that even if the market is trying to recover, there is a chance for the market to still sell off. Okay, so now we are on gold. I just want to make this video very quick so that you can just watch it as quick as possible. We are on gold. This is 2 hours time frame. It's quite similar to 1 hour. So if you still remember, we had this type of a structure yesterday. I even showed you here what's really happening here. I think I did show people here when we were on live. I sent this signal when we were live on YouTube. So as you see, we had this resistance, and that resistance shows us that the market is actually downtrending. Even if we have a support area here, the market can still continue like that. And what I see is the market respected that. Whoever who took that signal is actually eating, or they did eat yesterday. But around this area, there's also some sort of resistance, which is just some sort of support area, which are just counter trend lines, and the market can still go lower than that. So it means here is quite simple for you to say you need to buy. Maybe the market has to reach this area and try to bounce back, but I will advise you not to go against the trend. Rather wait for the market to break this resistance before you say you go up, or maybe just keep selling if the market breaks that support and push into the lower side. That is the simplest thing, you see. So let's see on US oil. So on US oil, I think I like the structure that I see here. So obviously I will be sending the signal on this thing. What I see is the market actually, it's exactly on the support area, and just look where what's really happening. You can see that just because this is a stronger support, the market has been playing around that area. Look here, how many candlesticks are there? This is 2 hours time frame, by the way. If we go on an hour, it's gonna be crazy. So just look at these candlesticks. But here, they were perfectly respecting this area. So what we're gonna do is, I'm not gonna lie to you, we're gonna have something like this. We don't have to hide these signals. Some people, they say, hey, Kenzo is sharing the signals on YouTube. Yes, when you pay, guys, I never said I'm not going to share some of the knowledge. You see, the knowledge that you get 90% of the knowledge in the group, but here on YouTube, actually it's almost 10%. It's not like it's everything. This is just the results of whatever that you're going to learn in the group. So yeah, this thing, you can still change these things. I'm just showing you the example because this is 2 hours time frame. You can just adjust that up to your taste or up to your risk appetite. Then I'm expecting the market to push to the upside. If not, there's a possibility again for the market to break this area. You can see the market is playing around this area for some time. Yes, the market can still break that. And if it breaks that, it's good. It's a good thing because it means oil prices will be going down, 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 down. And that is going to be some nice stuff that we need, you see. So, okay. Now we are on US30. We are on US30. I think we're late, guys, but we're not late. We are on US30. What's really happening here is it's quite straightforward. The market, if you still remember the structure that I showed you yesterday, so that the market just broke out of that resistance and the market is pushing what? To the upside. And I like the fact that the market at least created some sort of a retest. Then the market is trying to push the upside, which is something that I love. But I'm not going to panic because it's still pre-market, but still the market can still push higher. But this is still pre-market. So it's time for us to say, if maybe, because I already sent the signal yesterday, and the market, I think I sent it around this area. So for those who maybe missed that, I can resend that again, but it should be around that area so that they can have some room for the market to fluctuate because the market was retesting. Simple as that. So yeah, it shows me that yes, the market is actually trying to create this nice bullish momentum. Maybe it's time for the market to recover. We don't know. Maybe the market is trying to recover slowly, and then if it's like that, then it means it's gonna be great for us. It's gonna be great for us because we'll just like buy. But I'm not just going to run to the market just because I see small move here. As I already told you that I missed the trade even if I sent the signal. I was just waiting just to enter. Then you know what? I just woke up late. So that's why I missed it. So yes, I think the market is still bullish here, especially when the market is moving above this resistance. The market is moving above this resistance. Some they can say, Kenzo, what about this area? This area, you see this area, it's where the market is. Yes, you can say, yeah, that I see that. If maybe you want to be, but mostly when I see this resistance like this, I don't really look at those areas, but it's fine. You can do something like this and say, okay, this is my resistance, and if the market pushes to the upside, I will have a buy pending order or a buy stop there. You see, then you can buy above that area. But I already sent the signal already, so they already eating. So that's how I do things actually. I'm looking at this area, not back there, because if you always look at your left, hey, for you to take trades is gonna be some serious difficult stuff, because if you look there, there is an area, different areas that you will look at, and if you draw those, there will be resistance. So it means you're not actually going to trade, because once you take a trade, you will be afraid that yes, as there is a resistance coming very soon. You see. So for those who are late, if you did not buy, by the way, it means it's good for us to say above this area we can have a nice buy pending order. That I will also send in the group. So what do we see actually? We see that yes, the market is actually now creating that bullish move that I was talking about yesterday, by the way, even though the market did not break, but later on we can see the market did break nicely. My people did eat. So I'm seeing something like this happening. This is what I like, by the way. The market is trying to recover. This is what I like, by the way. So I'm still bullish. I'm just going to draw something like that for myself, because I'm not just going to jump just because the market it's doing something. I'm going to do, because I see 1, 2, or let me change the time frame maybe for those who don't want to miss out. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks around that area which respected this area. So for you to say I'm buying here, it's a disaster. Why not buy above this area? Then maybe the market will break that area and push the upside. There is no point saying, oh, maybe I would have maybe captured maybe 50 points or 50 ticks. No, lose those things. As long as you're not losing anything, just miss those. And as long as you're gonna get some safe trades, that's something that we want, because we want to be consistent. We want to be consistent. Unfortunately, I missed this one, guys. But in the group, obviously, they did not miss. I'm repeating this again, guys. I'm going to need 200 people. There's people who already joined, by the way. This is the last number that I'm going to teach. I'm also teaching the other guys in the other groups. So after, then I'll be focusing on this area. So it's going to be 4 months. Actually, it's going to start around August, September, October, November. So for now, I'll be giving people a chance to join. If you want to join, then it's your time to join. Here's the special for those who maybe don't have my contact. You can see that there's my WhatsApp or my Telegram. You can just WhatsApp me if you want to learn. If you don't want to be spoon-fed, if you want to create your own signals, if you want to be like me and create my own signals or your own signals, then why don't you learn? Or maybe you still want the shortcuts. If you want the shortcuts, it's also fine. Go find the shortcuts. But I'm giving you the experience that you will never have here, and maybe that might save you some like extra accounts that you used to blow. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe, like, share with your friends. Later on, we're still gonna go live, guys. We're still gonna go live and see what's really happening in the market. If maybe there is nice signal, we're gonna take them. If not, we're gonna relax, because we're not chasing the trades. We trade only when there is an opportunity. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope you're going to enjoy your weekend. Be safe out there. Thank you very much. Bye.